7 things to keep in mind before selecting a digital marketing agency. So, did you just waste a few more months and lakhs in your attempt at exploring digital marketing for your brand? If yes, then this video is for you, as this will help you in deciding which digital marketing agency is right for you and your business. I am Amay Katkar, founder and CEO of India's leading B2B marketing firm, 4P Solutions. In my decade of experience in the digital marketing space, I have seen most business owners or marketing professionals struggle to find the right digital agency for their respective brands in the first 2 attempts. This not only leads to loss of time and money, but also loss of faith in the digital marketing activities and the agencies who are into it. So here is my honest attempt to help you all to figure out how to choose the right digital partner for your business. Point number 1, size of the agency. This is very important, especially if you're looking at a long-term project engagement. Digital marketing involves different role players like copywriting, social media manager, designer, search engine executive, and so on. You cannot expect a 5-member team to execute all the different activities like email marketing, social media, content marketing, search engine marketing, and so on. So the size of the agency really matters. Point number 2, team which is going to work on your project. Many a times the agency team which comes for the pitch and the one which actually executes the project are different. It is important for you to meet the team which would be involved in the actual day-to-day engagement before you sign them up. Try to understand their clarity about the project and their execution capabilities. Point number 3, the project workflow. Digital marketing is a service-based offering, and the chances of it being successful are high if there are process and systems in place. Ask questions like how are the daily deliverables monitored? Is there a maker-checker mechanism? What is the turnaround time? What would be the role of the project manager? And so on. A stable project workflow is very important for long-term success of the marketing campaign. Point number 4, years of experience. Yes, digital marketing as an industry is relatively new age, but still you wouldn't want to work with an agency who just started yesterday, especially if you're looking at aspects like performance marketing and lead generation, where heavy investment will happen to run the day-to-day ads. During interaction with the team, find out how many years of experience the team members have, when did the agency start its operations, what were the founders doing before starting the agency, and so on. Point number 5, works done in similar domain. Ask for work samples or case studies in similar segments if possible. This will give you some insights into the strength and weakness of the agency. For example, some agencies might have very high creative capabilities but might lack at performance marketing. The case studies will help you to understand what was the agency's approach to solve the challenges and the subsequent outcome. Point number 6, references and feedback. Take a few client references from the agency. Post that, take a genuine feedback from the clients. It will help you to understand their experience of working with the agency. Client references from similar industries or your domain as yours will really help. I would definitely say a genuine client reference would be more useful than a testimonial in your efforts to validate the right digital partner. Point number 7, pilot project for your specific need. This is something like food sampling or clothes trial which you do while buying those products. Check with the agency if they are willing to do a small pilot. This will give you a lot of clarity of what is going to come when the actual project starts. Even though you might have to pay for the test project, it is worth it as it will save both time and money in future if you're not engaging with the right digital partner. Hope you got some clarity at choosing the right digital agency. If yes, then do subscribe to our Mindful Marketeers channel. See you in our next video.